Located at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac just off Beach Loop Drive, this custom home was built in 2006 with a reverse floor plan designed to take advantage of its coastal views. Throughout the home, you'll find nautical details that reflect its coastal setting, oversized garage space, and easy access to one of Bandon's best beaches. Beach Loop has long been one of Bandon's most desirable neighborhoods, known for its oceanfront scenery, beach access, and proximity to Bandon Dunes Golf Resort. Just around the corner is the Tishatang Beach Access, one of the few places on Beach Loop where you can reach the sand without using a long staircase. From here, it's easy to explore miles of shoreline, watch the surf, or head north to Face Rock, one of Bandon's most recognizable landmarks. The home sits at the end of the street, creating a quiet setting with very little traffic. Offering over 2,200 square feet, this home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 2 half baths. A large driveway provides plenty of parking, while the 4-bay garage features 9-foot doors that can accommodate larger vehicles, boats, or trailers. Brass ship lights by the entry doors, oak or railings, and a handcrafted Denninger weather vane reflect the home's coastal inspiration without overwhelming the design. Inside, the home's nautical theme begins immediately. The spacious entry also includes direct garage access and a built-in dumbwaiter, making it easy to send groceries, luggage, or firewood upstairs to the main living level. The primary suite is located on the lower level. A cultured stone propane fireplace adds supplemental heat, while the ensuite bathroom includes a double sink vanity and a solid surface shower finished with a custom compass detail. Two additional bedrooms are also located on the lower level and share a full bathroom with canary wood double basin countertops and classic wainscoting. The garage is one of the standout features of the property. With 4 bays, propane heat, a workbench, and a dedicated laundry area, there's room for much more than just parking. Whether it's golf clubs, fishing gear, kayaks, or a workshop, the extra space offers options that are hard to find this close to the beach. The reverse floor plan becomes clear as you head upstairs. By placing the kitchen, living room, and deck on the upper level, the home takes full advantage of its elevated ocean views. The kitchen was designed with rustic pecan soft close cabinetry, while stair-on countertops and a large island offer plenty of workspace. Under cabinet lighting and pendant lights continue the home's coastal character, and the open layout keeps the kitchen connected to the dining and living areas. Vaulted ceilings with exposed beams give the living room an open feel, while the large windows keep the Pacific in view throughout the day. The cultured stone wood-burning fireplace anchors the room, and a sliding glass door leads directly onto the upper deck. It's a great place to watch the weather move across the Pacific, spot migrating whales during the season, or simply take in the view after a day at the beach.
From the deck, this elevated position opens up views of the coastline. And just right behind me is the beach access that we explored earlier in the video. The fenced backyard is dog-friendly and easy to maintain.
An undeveloped city-owned lot sits directly behind the property, so there are no homes immediately beyond the backyard fence. The beach access is just beyond the city-owned lot, making it easy to head to the sand without getting in the car. The home has also seen several recent improvements. Updates include a heat pump installed in 2021, a new water heater in 2023, gutters replaced in 2020, exterior paint completed in 2020, and refreshed again in 2024 and 2025, along with newly powdered coated garage doors in 2025. From here, you're just minutes from Bandon Dunes Golf Resort, Old Town shopping and restaurants, scenic beaches, and many of the outdoor activities that make this stretch of the Oregon coast so popular.
Even the street has a local connection. Three Wood Drive was named for being a golfer's three-wood shot from the ocean. If you've been looking for a home that combines ocean views, custom craftsmanship, oversized garage space, and one of Bandon's most desirable beach loop locations, this one's worth coming to see. For more information or to schedule a private showing, use the link in the comments. And if you're thinking of moving to the Oregon coast, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We post a video every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.